Hello everybody, hope everyone's having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel. And yes, another Amazon haul. I just got this in the mail a few minutes ago. I paid a little extra this time to make sure that this came. I didn't want to wait till Friday or Saturday for it, but I paid a little extra and it was sure worth it. I got another jean purse. I absolutely love this purse. I love the two-tone wash. They had 5 different styles. The inside of it, this is what the inside of it looks like. And then there's another pocket, and then 2 pockets I can put my phone and my car keys in. I just really excited about this purse. I definitely want to get a jean purse. They also have jean purses and stuff as well, where I got this purse from. They did a really great packaging it and everything. And it's from Wrangler. I absolutely love the wash on it. It's like old rustic. I really like this right here. I think this is just so freaking cool like that. I just love this purse. It's two-tone. That's why I got it, because it goes with everything that I wear. And then I just got a regular Michigan long sleeve. I got a 1X. I'm actually into a 1X now. I have actually been losing weight and stuff, which is really awesome. So I am down to a 1X. I am trying to get down to a extra large, hopefully by Christmas. But yeah, this is just a plus size long sleeve Michigan. It says, I love Michigan. I like the color of it, yellow and blue. But yeah, this is what I got. And this is from my my old order that I ordered. I did get a refund and plus a voucher on top of it. So I made out pretty well with Amazon. I got my refund within 2 days on my gift card. But yeah, this is for my refund. So I also had a little bit more money on my gift card as well. So, but yeah, I got my credit, I got my refund and plus a credit on top of it. So I'm very happy with it. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. And remember to hit the notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Remember to like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. And have a good day, guys.